Hello everybody, and I'm back for a very special scrapbooking process video. This is my 100th scrapbook process video. So it's taken me several years to get to this point, mainly because I upload videos and then I stop, and then I upload some more videos and then I stop, etc, etc. However, I'm hoping to become more consistent with uploading. That is my main goal for my channel this year, just to become more consistent, more like just bring you some more content essentially. So I am filming this video. This is the first or second video that I filmed in my new scrapbooking space. I think this will be the first one that you see. Oh, and I'm sorry if you can hear my cat meowing in the background. She just came into the room with me. She wasn't in here until literally I started talking. So I'm pretty sure this will be the first video that you see, but I think it's actually the second one that I filmed. So, because I just moved, all of my stuff is everywhere. In boxes, and some of it's still packed away. So it's been quite a challenge for me. Hi, honey. She is talking away to me, beside me. So, to film videos and make layouts has been a challenge because I've had to search through all of my boxes and things to find product to use. So what I found was a box that I had packed page kits and bigger kits into. So that's what I've been using. So this is a really old kit that I got from the Scrap Room, which is a scrapbooking subscription kit that you can subscribe to if you would like. It's a really, really great kit subscription if you just want a little bit of each collection. I think they usually have 4 collections in each kit, and you get like a couple pieces of paper from each one, and a little handful of embellishments from each one as well. So it's a really great option if you just want a little bit of new product without getting like a huge kit every month. So I really enjoyed it when I was getting it. I did cancel it, but that's not anything to do with them. I just wanted to try other kits. Caramel. That's my cat. She's on the floor beside me. Her food is in here now. Oh, and I don't get anything from the Scrap Room kit. I purchase their products. They probably don't even know that I was getting their products. So that's just something that I did on my own. You also get a coffee sample in your kit as well. So it's kind of fun. It's always different flavors too. So here I'm just pulling off some stickers that I found. Random sticker packets or sticker sheets that were partially used up that I wanted to continue to use. I found this puffy sticker that was also from Amy Tan that said this was picture perfect because this goose looked right at the camera when I was taking his or her picture. I think it's a boy, but I call all birds boys, like geese and ducks and things. So, yeah, I put all my stickers on my tape runner, and then I was like, oh, I need my tape runner to glue my picture down. So I had to use it with all the sticker pieces on it. It happens again later in the video, so that'll be fun for you to watch for. So this picture was taken in London, England, in either St. James Park or Kensington Park. I think it was St. James Park, but I'm pretty sure it was St. James Park. He was super cute, and he looked right at me. It was so cute. I love St. James Park. It's probably my favorite place in London. At one end is Buckingham Palace, and at the other end is the Horse Guards Parade. So it's a super, super cool park. And there's a cafe in this park that serves the best hot chocolate I've ever had in my life. It is so good. I don't know what it's called, but it's a straight line and you eventually run into the cafe. It was good. So I usually have hot chocolate now when I go there. So I did go off camera and put the title down because I didn't know what I was going to call this picture. Sorry, this layout. Like, I was really unsure. So then I eventually settled on, "Are you looking at me?" Oh, I was just showing you there that every time I see that stamp set, it says "Into the Unknown." I start singing the song from Frozen, "Into the Unknown," every time. Yeah. I think I was listening to Brave while I made this layout too. So, I'm sorry. You're probably going to hear crunching noises in the background. My cat has decided that she will jump up on her food box area and eat her food. We had to put her food up high because it turns out that my golden retriever is allergic to cat food. He gets ear infections when he eats it. So that was a bit of an issue to try and figure out with him. He also has environmental allergies, so it's been fun. He takes Reactin every day for his allergies, which is super cute. But that's fine. He's been really good since we figured out what was happening. He's been really good. So here you can see some white pieces. Those are really, really old tabs and tags and label shapes that I actually cut out with my Silhouette a long time ago. And I found them when I was cleaning for packing. I found I have them in like one of those little iris photo containers. So I found it while I was packing. So that was fun. So I pulled them out and I stamped trip highlights on the one at the top using that Coastal Storm ink from scrapbook.com. And I inked the edges of the white pieces with spiced marmalade. And I think I do end up coming back and inking the tag. At least I hope I do. Yes, I do, because it looked a little awkward there. All the other whites were inked, and I think that's all the inking that I do on this page. It's just they kind of looked really plain and like they didn't quite belong with the other things on the layout. So I thought I would ink them with orange, as there's orange on this layout. That orange star paper, it's not from the same collection as this. It's from Photoplay. I think it's from their Let's Stay Home collection, maybe. I just happened to find it. And I was like, hey, this puffy sticker that I want to use is orange too. Maybe I should bring some more orange into this layout. That's what I did. And I don't use orange very often when I'm scrapbooking. So I did just back the part where it was cut out with today with a washi tape sticker from Chamel's Sticker Book. I wasn't really sure what to back it with, so I thought I would bring some pink in. When I look at that rainbow strip, I see pink. Lots of pink. So there is all of the colors that are in that rainbow strip are brought in the embellishments in somewhere. And then I wanted a little bit of pink to put at the top, so I had a little triangle. Oh goodness, sorry, that yawn just came out of nowhere and just caught me really off guard. So, yeah, my cat is rummaging around in the back. What are you doing? Caramel? No, she doesn't want to talk anymore for you. She's very vocal, that cat. Very, very vocal. So I'm just adding some old, I think those are Jelly Bean Soup puffy stickers in. And then I have this real life arrow sticker because this actually very much did happen in real life. The goose looked at me like that. It was very comical to me. and I wanted to bring some of that green over to the other side. So again, oh, and I'm sorry, I bumped my tripod. My tripod is now beside my desk, and I keep hitting it. So I apologize. It's going to happen more. So I just write that it was in St. James Park and the year that this happened in. And then I don't know if I do it on camera, but I do, beside the title there, where I just showed you. Okay, so I'm going to do it on camera. Sometimes I journal on camera, sometimes I don't. I just write down about how, like, this goose looked right at me, and it was really funny. And I'm sure that he was more interested in the possibility of getting food than having his picture taken, but that's all right. I will take what I can get. I have so many pictures of the geese and ducks and swans and little, I think they're cockatiels. So many birds from St. James and Kensington Parks in London. It's like my favorite thing in the world, and I love it. So maybe someday I'll go somewhere that's a little bit more exotic and see, like, I don't know, pelicans. Or I have actually seen a pelican in Ontario on Lake Erie. So I found the little embellishment package that I was telling you that comes with the Scrapbook kits. I found it. I remembered that I had it, and there was this feather in it. I was like, oh my goodness, this is perfect. It's a feather. And then this banner sticker fits so well underneath my journaling. I was like, well, that has to go there too. So then I was like, does anything else fit in from this little embellishment pack? But it didn't. But that's okay. Everything worked out really, really well. And then I was going to use those enamel dots, but they were too matchy-matchy. And I wanted something a little bit different. So I do pick out some enamel dots from my stash. And I think that is everything. So I thank you all for watching and being patient while I get my scrap room set up. Bye.